Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet an African flower, and for the yarn I've used a DK weight and then a 4.5mm crochet hook. If you think I'm going too fast, then remember you can always slow down the speed in the settings below. But let's begin. We begin with a slip knot. And then we chain 4. So yarn over, pull through 4 times. 3 and 4. So then in this first chain we did, we will now do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain and finish your double crochet. And now we have the chain 3 from the beginning. This counts as the first double crochet, and then we just did a double crochet. So now we actually have 2 double crochet. Then we chain 1. And then we find this chain from the beginning in which we will do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into this same space and double crochet. And then do another double crochet into the same chain. So just insert the hook and double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet, then a chain 1 in between, and then 2 double crochet. This we will repeat again. So chain 1, and then do 2 double crochet into this little loop down here. So that's 1 double crochet and another double crochet. So now we have 3 of these little clusters. We will continue until we have 8 in total, 8 clusters of 2, so 16 double crochets with chain 1s in between. So now chain 1, then work 2 double crochet into this little ring and continue all the way around until you have 16 double crochet in total. And at the end, you join with a slip stitch in the top over here. So just a slip stitch. And then we break the yarn. So just pull the loop through. And then you join the new color. So you grab the next one, which is a red one for me. And you attach it in any of these chain spaces. And tie a little knot. Then you pull up a loop and chain 2. 1, 2. And then you double crochet into the same space. Then you chain 1. And then you do 2 double crochet together. So you yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain space, still in the same one, and pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, and then stop. Then begin the next one. So you yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we have 3 loops on the hook. Then you can yarn over and pull through all 3. Then you chain 1 and move on to the next little chain space, where you will do 2 double crochet together, then chain 1, and then 2 double crochet together. So yarn over and insert the hook in the next chain space and stop. Begin the next one. And then you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Then you chain 1, and then you do another 2 double crochet together. So you yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain space, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and leave it. Then yarn over to begin the next double crochet, pull through only 2, and then you have 3 loops, and then pull through all 3. So now you have 2 double crochet together with a chain, and then 2 double crochet together. Then chain 1 to go on to the next chain space, and you will do 2 double crochet together, then chain 1, then 2 double crochet together. Just repeat this step all the way around. And at the end, you join with a slip stitch in the top over here. So insert, pull through, pull through. and then you slip stitch in the next stitch, and then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains counts as the first double crochet. Now we are at here where we did 2 clusters of double crochet together, and you see we have another one over here. So you are in between these 2, and you will do another 4 double crochet into this space. So just yarn over and insert the hook in the same space. So you now have 2 double crochet because this one counts as the first one, and continue until you have 5 double crochet in total into this same space in between the clusters. So this is 4 and then 5. Then you chain 1, and then you move on to the next cluster you did with the 2 double crochet together and 2 double crochet together, and you will do it in between these 2. So you will do 5 double crochet into this little space. So just yarn over and insert the hook into this space in between the 2 clusters and double crochet, and continue until you have 5 double crochet in total into this little space. So that's 3, 4, and 5. Then you chain 1, and then you find your next little cluster over here. In between these, you'll do 5 double crochet, then chain 1, then 5 double crochet over here. Just continue all the way around. And at the end, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain of these chain 3 from the beginning. And that's it. So now you break the yarn and pull this through, and then you will attach the new color, which is a white one for me. And then you see these petals of 5 double crochet. You will now, in any of these, find the middle one, so just any of these, where you will attach the new color yarn. And tie a little knot. And then insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then chain 1. This chain 1 counts as the first single crochet. Now you'll do a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. That's 1 and 2. And then you see this big chain space over here, and you also have a chain space down here. Now you will do a double crochet underneath this one, so all the way down here. So you yarn over, and then you will insert the hook all the way down here in the chain space from the other round, and then finish your double crochet. So it looks like this. You have a little spike down here. In the next 5 stitches, you'll do a single crochet in each stitch. Then you'll do a double crochet in this big space down here. So yarn over, insert the hook all the way down here, and finish your double crochet. And this way you'll just continue all the way around with 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches, then a double crochet all the way down here, and so on until you are at the end again. And at the end you join with a slip stitch in this chain, which counted as the first single crochet, and then you will bind off. So cut the yarn, pull this loop through, and then you can weave in this end and you have your little African flower. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, and I hope you will give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!